Hi, I'm stoked to share this new course with you that I've been going through to learn to dropship. I think you're going to like it a lot. Why? Unlike all the other courses that I've done, this course actually shows you behind the scenes, real work, that goes into building a 76-figure dropship business from scratch. Here's what it looks like. In this course, you will get access to an exclusive list of the 11 most profitable dropshipping niches. Build your Shopify store the right way using the proven strategies of a 7-figure dropshipper. Learn how to prepare your dropshipping store for a successful launch. Follow a real product launch from idea to store design to first sale. Learn the best marketing strategies used to scale a dropshipping store to 7 figures. You can learn more about this course here. Dropshipping on Shopify. This course is part of Salehoo's new Educate platform, where their expert sellers condense decades of dropship, e-commerce experience into step-by-step courses for you. Salehoo has helped e-commerce entrepreneurs start up and succeed since 2005, and their tools and support are rated among the best in the industry, so you can be sure of the quality of their new courses. If you want to fast-track the success of your e-commerce, dropship business, I highly recommend checking it out yourself. Click the link below to get instant access.